Welcome back to the channel. So today I've got the vintage Coach chain purse style number 7155 to share with you today. And this one's in the color black, and I would estimate it was likely made sometime in the 1990s. So as you can see, this is a little kiss lock coin purse. It's got this kiss lock closure here on the top. And then it's just great for maybe some cash or your coins. Here's kind of a 360 of it. And then here's the top. We'll open it again. And here's the interior. It does have the Coach cartouche stamped on the inside here. And then here's what the interior looks like. Looks like it was barely used because the inside is really nice and clean. So yeah, that is the change purse style number 7155. It's a really cute little style. These ones seem to be really popular and tend to sell fairly quickly. So it is available now in our online store, so I will leave the link below in case anyone wanted to check it out further. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you in the next video.